いらっしゃいませ. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. Today, I'm going to show you Teriyaki Chicken Don. Mamma mia, it's a bit mouthful, isn't it? Teri means shine, yaki means grill, don means something on the rice in the rice bowl. So when you go to a Japanese restaurant, you might see something don, which means this something is on the rice in the rice bowl. Okay, now teriyaki sauce is it's so versatile. You can use it for any kind of meat or fish, which is very popular in Japan, or vegetarian. If you're vegetarian, you can use vegetable as well. And it's so easy to make. Now next is ingredients. Today I'm going to use chicken, but you can use pork, beef, or fish, or if you're vegetarian, as I said, you can use any vegetables. And pak choi, also for the shiny sauce, the shine is very, very important. The corn flour is the key. And soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and sake. Okay, and then the nori for garnishing. First, let's cut the pak choi. Can you see this part is thick, this part is thin. So let's cut thick part thinly, thin part thickly, so that we can cook at the same time. Right, just like this. Right, thin, 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 thin. So you can get a bit thick like that. And then let's just put it in a sieve to wash. Then chicken, you're going to cut it into about 2 centimeter cube. Like this. Now let's get rid of this little white fat, shall we? Put it in a bowl. Right, next is you're going to put the chicken in the freezer bag. Sorry, it's supposed to be in the bag, chicken. Right, and then the corn flour, put it in the freezer bag. Okay, and then you're going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, this is so easy to put the corn flour. The reason for this is that corn flour will dust the chicken all around without any mess. Look, perfectly dusted with corn flour. Right, heat up the large frying pan. Let's start cooking. Now put the oil, drop of oil. Okay. And then the chicken. Turn the heat to the medium heat, right? Medium heat. And then let's spread the chicken so the chicken doesn't get stuck together and you can have a little bit of lovely brown chicken easily like this. Right now it's about 2 to 3 minutes. One side is cooked, so let's turn around. Turn it around. Now the other side has been cooking a couple of minutes now. Let's pour the sake. And this means it's steam cooking. And the reason for sake is it makes the sauce really not edgy, very mild, lovely mild taste. So give it a go with sake. If you don't have a sake, water is okay. While chicken is cooking, let's cook the pak choi. This doesn't need any time. Just salted boiled water, just toss it like this. This only needs like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Pak choi is cooked now. Don't overcook it because we want to keep this fresh green color. Okay? Turn the heat down. Sorry, turn the heat off. And then drain. And put it aside. For the sauce, mix with soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Now chicken has been cooking in sake for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's pour the sauce over it. Now this is soy sauce, mirin, sugar mixture. Okay? Oh, look. Always mixed with this, okay? Then the medium heat. Can you see this sauce started to shine? Wait until the sauce evaporates a little bit. Look. Can you see this shine? This is the real teriyaki sauce. This is such an appetizing shine, right? And that's all. It's all finished. But now let's make a don. It's a rice in a bowl. Please refer to my another recipe about how to cook Japanese rice. And then put the pak choi on top of it. It's nice and green, beautiful green. Okay, all over. Okay, then, right, okay, now the chicken. Oh, look. It's such a beautiful, lovely, look at that. Shiny, shiny sauce. And let's pour this delicious sauce. And then, little nori for garnishing. Very appetizing. Right, that's it. Look, this is the Teriyaki Chicken Don. Ooh, shiny, shiny. Looks good, isn't it? You've got to try this. Wow, look at this. いただきます。Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got another recipe for cooking this rice, so please check it up. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm releasing a new recipe every Friday. Don't forget to tune in.